So let's solve exercise 2.3. Let x be a real vector in Rn. Prove that x dot x is equal to the norm of x squared. Hint: you may find the geometric definition of the dot product helpful. So this is a useful property of the dot product of a vector with itself that we will actually use in the triangle inequality exercise next. So let's go ahead and use this geometric definition of the dot product. So the first thing to do is say from the definition, specifically the geometric definition, we can write that where we can say that theta is the angle between the two vectors, the interior angle, which is going to be 0 in this case. Inserting theta equals 0, we arrive at our result, which is that the dot product of x with itself is just the norm of x squared, which makes some geometric sense if you were following the last proof at least. So we have shown what we set out to show, so QED. Thanks.